It's Shell from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I just have a quick little show and tell of another treat project. Today I used these Andes mints. They come in these boxes of 28 pieces, and I just picked that up at my drugstore in my area. And so what I have done is just packaged them up, kind of similar to one of the projects I did recently with the turtles chocolates, and I used the same idea for the toppers, and I'm just going to show you what I've done here. So I've taken 2 Andes mints and just put them together, and I did 4 to a package and wrapped the scrapbook paper around them in the different designs. You can just choose whichever you think go together, whichever you like. And then I just put them in the long cellophane bags again and trimmed them off. And I created those same toppers that I did for a previous project, like I said. And just says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I added those and tied it up with some ribbon. And just another little idea for treat packaging. They turned out really cute. I think 4 Andes mints is a nice amount to give someone. So I'll show you the ones that I've done. So this is the first one. This one I did a little bit different stamping on it with kind of a swirl design on the top there. And just different papers. This paper is really cute with the hot cocoa mugs there. And let's see. Then these 2 I did with some pretty papers here with some holly and berries on there, and then the mugs of hot cocoa. And for these ones, I did stamping on the top here with a little holly leaves and berry design. And then I just outlined those with some markers that I had just to kind of pop them up a bit. And then added the red ribbon at the top of these as well. Now you could decorate the back, but they are just little treats. So, you know, it's gonna get ripped open. So I didn't want to go too crazy, but spend too much time on them. But I think those turned out good. And then I did one other one here. I was just playing around with how to decorate it, and I punched 2 holes in the bottom of the tag topper here and put a gold twist tie in there and just kind of secured it at the back. It just kind of gave it another little kind of blingy look there. So yeah, I hope you like that idea. And then these ones I did in kind of pink colors. This one has a little Santa on it, kind of whimsical little print, and then this one has pink poinsettias and snowflakes on it, and they're really cute. And then I had a little pink pearl on that one, and I used this pink netting to dress, or for the topper at the top of these ones. And so yeah, I think they turned out really cute. I did a little glitter on the heart there, and the same message, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And of course you could use other stamps that you have with different wording on it, and then you can just decorate it as you like. But I think they turned out really cute. So I hope you are inspired by that, and it's just another quick idea for you. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.